Hey, Dave Heeman here. I'm one of the co-founders and the project and curriculum developer for Creation Crate. Our goal is to provide you the best hands-on learning experience possible. And that's why I wanted to give you a preview of our electronics and coding curriculum so that you can see what the experience is like for yourself. So let's take a look first at the original projects. Each box comes with everything that you need to build the circuit, and we also have an online classroom that takes you through step by step how to build and program each project. Inside the box, you will see there's a UNO R3 microcontroller, there's a bunch of jumper wires, data and power cable, this one has LEDs and resistors, and of course your breadboard. So after you followed all the instructions to put your circuit together, it'll end up looking something like this. This is your mood lamp project, and in this project you program the UNO R3 so that the lights, the LEDs that are inside the globe will only turn on when the lights go out. So I'm going to cover up this light dependent resistor, and you can see all the lights turn on and then they start fading and changing so that the color of the globe changes over time. So let's take a look at our 2.0 curriculum. We have designed it so the box becomes part of the project. These are a lot of fun. They teach you all kinds of cool stuff. We just took a lot of feedback from some of our current subscribers and tried to put that into the next version. So this same mood lamp project becomes something that looks like this. We've upgraded some of the components, we've actually changed the programming a little bit, but this is a great one to get started. So we made it the first project for 2.0 also. The other thing about 2.0 is that each project has 3 phases. So one of the months you'll turn this into a clock, then you turn it into an alarm clock, so you'll get a buzzer and some other components, and then you'll turn it into a puzzle alarm clock. Now the coolest, I think it's the coolest one, it's the latest one that's going out to our current subscribers, and it is a boombox. And it should start playing music that I already have set up. And there it is. You'll end up adding some RGB LEDs so that they'll dance with the music, and in the third phase you'll get a second speaker and an FM tuner so you'll learn how to create an FM radio. We have a rover bot and we're working on a weather station, so we've got all kinds of really cool projects. STEM.org has reviewed all of our projects. You can see they are STEM.org approved. The quality of the projects and the educational aspect that you get is on point. All right, I think it's about time for me to stop talking and you to start creating. So join Creation Crate today and join in on the hands-on learning revolution.